Minasan konnichiwa, Arijita desu. Today we will learn Dokkai from Minano Nihongo textbook lesson 1. Watashi wa maiku desu. Watashi is the N1, maiku is N2, and wa is the topic marker particle. So watashi wa maiku desu means I am Mike. This is a simple sentence pattern in Japanese language. N1 wa, N2 this. Next sentence is Watashi wa engineer this. Watashi is N1, engineer is N2, wa is the topic marker particle, and this is the polite form of the sentence. So I am an engineer. Watashi wa engineer this. Next sentence. Santasu san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Santasu san is the N1 topic of the sentence. Gakusei is N2, another noun, and wa is the topic marker particle. So Santosu san is the topic of the sentence. Ja arimasen is the negative form of this. So Santosu san wa gakusei ja arimasen means Mr. Santos is not a student. Mira san wa America jin desu ka? Now, Mira-san is the N1. America-jin is N2. So, both are noun of this sentence. Wa is the topic marker particle and this. This means the meaning of the sentence is positive. Now, we are adding ka particle at the end of the sentence. Ka is the question marker particle. In English language, when we are asking something, if there is a question sentence, we always put question mark at the end of the sentence. Similarly, in Japanese, ka particle always be added with the sentence. Mira-san wa America jin desu ka? Means, is Mr. Miller an American? Hi, America jin desu. Answer of the question. Yes means hi. America jin means American, and the meaning of the sentence is yes, he is an American. Mira-san wa sensei desu ka? Is Mr. Miller a teacher? This is N1 topic of the sentence, Mira-san. Sensei means teacher. This ka is the question marker particle. Okay, so Mira-san wa sensei desu ka means, is Mr. Miller a teacher? Anokata means that person, but polite form. So there is two form of that person. One is anokata and another is anohito. Anohito is casual way and anokata is polite way. Anokata wa donata desu ka? Donata means which person. Donata means who or which person. Okay. So anokata wa donata desu ka means who is that person. Anokata wa Mira-san desu. That person is Mr. Miller. This is polite way. Mira-san wa kaisain desu. Kaisain means company employee. Mr. Miller is a company employee. Mira-san wa kaisain desu. Santosu-san mo kaisain desu. Santosu-san is also a company employee. So, mo particle means also. when we are repeating same sentence structure like this, Mira-san wa kaisain this, Santosu-san mo kaisain this. So here ha will not come. Ha will not come. The particle will be mo. So mo means also. Mira-san wa America-jin. Sorry. Mira-san wa IMC no sign this. Mira-san, this is the N1. Okay. Wa is the topic marker particle. So the topic of the sentence is Mira-san. IMC no shine. So no is a particle which connects nouns. So my book. Okay. My book. So watashi no hon. Okay. Watashi no hon means my book. So here IMC no sign. So there is two words. One is kaisain and one is sign. So when we are talking about general company, so we use kaisain. When we use specific company like here, IMC no kaisain. So IMC is employee. So kaisain will not be there. The correct word is shine. So when we talking about specific company, we use shine. When we are talking about general company, we use kaisain. And no particle is connecting two nouns. So IMC no sign means IMC's employee. IMC's employee. So no basically connecting two nouns, IMC and sign. So Mr. Miller is an IMC employee. Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Gakusei means student. Mira-san is N1. Gakusei is N2. This ka. Ka is a question marker particle. So meaning of this sentence is, are you a student? Are you a student? Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? So someone is asking to Mira-san, okay, are you a student? So in that case, Japanese people always take other person's name. So the person asked, Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka? Is Mira-san is student? Yeah, the answer is yeah. Yeah means no. So in Japanese, no is little longer. Yeah. Kaisain desu. Kaisain desu. Kaisain means company employee. No, I am not a student. I am company employee. Mata ne.